Dear friends, welcome to our website easymyedu.com. I am Sanjeev Shaha. Today we will discuss about the chapter statistics. So statistics is what? It's a branch of mathematics which deals with a lots or huge data. But our relevant part for the examination is mean, median and mode. So we will discuss about the mean, median and mode. Let's see. In mean, what is mean? This is nothing but the average of given observations. So let's take an example. Let x is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and its frequency is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how to find the mean? Here this is the number which occurs for 1 times and this is the number which is occurs for second times and this for third time and this for 4 times. So there is a formula how to find this. This x1 into f1 plus x2 into f2 plus x3 into f3 plus x4 into f4 divided by sum of the frequencies, that is f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f4, which is equals to 2 into 1, 2, 4 to the 8 plus 18 plus 32 divided by the sum of this. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that equals to 10. Now the summation is 50 divided by 10, which equals to 5. So our this answer comes to 5. That's the mean of this given distributions is equals to 5. And here we have done about the group data. So we'll see about ungrouped data. So what is ungrouped data? In ungrouped data you will find it will provide in such a class interval types, that is in a range it will provide 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and its frequency will be provided that it gives 3 times, 3 times, 5 times and it will 10 times. And here how to find the mean? The class intervals provide this 10 to 20 and 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. So here we will find the class marks. In such ungrouped data we will find the class marks, which you can say as the x. So how we will find this? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Here the upper limit is what? 20 and the lower limit is 10, which becomes 15. So let's break and distribution. Class interval, frequencies and this is the class marks. Here the frequencies class interval is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and its frequency is 3, 5, 10. How to find this class marks of this range is 15. So there's a technique how to find this. Let's see, this is the difference of this, the range is 10 and so we'll add this 15 with 10. That means 10 plus 15, 25. Again you see this, the difference is again 10. Just add 10 with this 25, it becomes 35. So we get the frequencies and class marks. Now we'll find this fxl, that is f into x. 45, 125 and 350. Have you noted? Okay. 10, so the mean is summation of Fix and summation of this. Let's take out this 260. So here's the answer is 28.8. So this is about the mean, how to find this group data and ungrouped data. So next topic is median. What is a median? Median means the middlemost of the given distributions. So here provides a formula to find the median. L1 plus n by 2 this. So we can give an example so that it will be clear to you. Let's take class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and its frequencies 2, 4, 3, 1. So here we will find the class marks. That's x1, that is 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2 is 15. Again using the difference is 10, 10, 10. So we can add up here 10, 25, 35 and 45. Here we will find cumulative frequency. It's a new word for you. That's our frequency is the 2 plus 4, that's 2 plus 4, it's 6, then 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Here we will find n by 2, that means the total number of the frequency is 10, that is n by 2, which is 5. So we will see the 5 comes here, it's below 6, that we can say our median class is this. (20 by 30). So here L1 is 20, is cumulative frequency. That is the cumulative frequency is this. It is a preceding of the median class. F1 is 4. So our formula was what? L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by frequency into the range of the class. L1 is 20, n by 2 is, or n was 10 by 2, cumulative frequency is 2 and normal frequency is 4. Our range was 20 to 30, that is 10. So our median is 27 by 5. I think you have understand the median, and our last topic is mode. What is mode? Mode is nothing but the frequency which occurs often. So you can prove it. Let's take an example. So let the class interval be 10 by 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Frequencies be 3, 4, 1, 2. Find the class marks. That's 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2 is 15. Again the difference is 10, 10, 10. So we can add up here 25, 35, 45. We need a formula to find the mode. That is L1 plus F1 minus FO to F1 minus FO minus F2, which multiplies by height. Here F1 is the frequency of the model class. So here which is the model class? So to find the model class we have to see the highest number of occurrence of frequency. So it denotes this 4. So our model class is 20 by 30. Here frequency is 4. This F1. FO is the preceding frequency and F2 is the succeeding frequency, that is 1. And our height is, that is, our range is 10. That is L1 is 20, F1 is 4 minus 3, 2 into 4 minus 3 minus 1, and our range is 10. So our mode is 22.5. Well friends, we have discussed the topic mean, median and mode. The most probable questions are coming from these chapters are to find the mean, median and mode.